welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your unending support, for watching my videos, and of course for subscribing to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And in this video, guys, I will show you how to make a ube cheese pandesal. It's gonna be a healthy, guys, because I will be using whole wheat flour and also low-fat milk, and then the sugar is organic coconut sugar. Here are the ingredients. We have 7 cups of whole wheat flour and 2 cups of low-fat warm milk and 2 teaspoons of iodized salt and 3 teaspoons of instant yeast, and we have 2 tablespoons of ube extract, and of course we have 3/4 cup of ube halaya and 1 cup of organic coconut sugar, which is good for diabetic, and we have 2 fresh large eggs, and we have here cubes around 165 grams of cheese, and we will put it later when the dough is ready. So, and then also we will be putting 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and plus of course the additional oil for kneading. So let's start the mixing, guys. So let's start, guys, the process. So first, all the liquids mix all together. So we have here the milk, and now let's put the 2 fresh eggs, and then the 2 tablespoons of ube extract, and then the 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use, guys, any kind of oil, but myself, I prefer olive oil, so it's more healthy. Liquids are mixed. Now let's mix also the dry ingredients. So we have here the 7 cups of whole wheat flour, and now the sugar, then the salt, 2 teaspoons, and the yeast, guys, we will add later, because when we start to put the yeast, then becomes very sticky and of course heavy to mix. And also the fresh ube halaya we will put later when everything is mixed, and then we can use the hand mixer. So now let's we start to mix the liquid. Okay, guys, so the dough is almost done, and now let's mix the ube halaya, and we can leave some for later. You know, we will put also as a topping, so we will not finish everything. And then let's also mix the instant yeast, and now let's use, guys, the hand mixer. So now, guys, let's mix. Okay, guys, so now it's getting very sticky. So now let's do the kneading. Okay, guys, so I think we need for 20 minutes, because I'm not so powerful enough. That's why it takes more time. Otherwise, guys, depends on how you strong and of course fast you need the dough. And then when it's soft like this, you see, very soft, and then you can stop, and then we will put in a bowl. Okay, this is the dough, and now let's cover it and let's let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. And this one, guys, the serving size of this dough is 24 pieces. 24 pieces of pandesal, or the bread. Okay, so let's say later what will happen. Okay, guys, so after 2 hours of rising, you see, it rise the double. So now let's make a balls, and then we will stand again for half an hour before baking. So let's start. Let's divide into 2. Let's set aside the other half. Okay, and this we will make 12 balls. So now let's start making the filling. So let's put a bit of ubi halaya and then cheese. Then let's make a ball. And then we will again let it rise for half an hour, and then we put breadcrumbs, and then we will bake. And now let's put the breadcrumbs. It's almost done, guys. And then we can go for baking, and then pair with coffee. Okay guys, so now it's time for baking. And there is another trays, of course, because there are 24 breads in total. Okay guys, so now let's bake for 20 to 30 minutes, or depends on you how brown you like it. And this oven, guys, is preheated at 170 degrees. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes of baking, here it is. It's perfectly light brown. So let's open it, guys, how cheesy they are. Wow, do you see? Perfect. Wow, you can see, guys, it's cheesy and also very nicely colored purple. And this one, guys, is perfect for a cup of coffee. And hope you like this one, guys, and I hope that you try in your kitchen. And let me know if you have any question or any clarification about the recipe, and I will respond to you. Alright guys, so ubi cheese pandesal is successful. Even though it's my first time, I would say that I did my best, and it's gonna be perfect for with a cup of coffee. And if you guys are looking for a healthy pandesal, this is for you guys, you know, because I used whole wheat flour and organic coconut sugar, and of course low fat milk, and also the oil, I used olive oil, so it's a very healthy bread. And if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!